Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. I hope everybody's having a great day. I am so excited to show you guys these two DIYs that I have for you. Very boho chic inspired. I think I got these inspirations from Pinterest. One of them is using macrame cord. Now, I might have mentioned a couple times in my videos, I ordered macrame cord at the beginning of when the COVID-19 all started in Canada, that everything was shut down. I had ordered macrame cord on Amazon, and that was the beginning of April, and now when I received it was about a couple weeks, maybe a week ago, so mid-June. So now I'm just super excited to be using it. So now I'm going to show you these boho chic inspired DIYs. Anyway, stick around, you'll see what I'm talking about. For those of you guys who are my subscribers, thank you so much for joining my channel. This is super exciting for me. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. This is so exciting. And for those of you who are new, if you like what you see, I would love it if you could just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. It's just to help support my channel and just to make it grow even more. And that way I can show you guys more videos as well. So anyway, that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stick around till the very end and we'll see you soon.
So for the first DIY, I'm just taking this wreath form that I got from the DollarTree. I just clipped one of the smaller circles out of it, and I'm just going to spray paint it white. So using the Premier spray paint that I got from Canadian Tire. Again, this can is lasting me quite a bit, and it only cost me $6, so really great buy. So just spray paint both sides and just let it dry for quite a few hours. Maybe I let it dry for about 4 hours. And then now I couldn't clip the little sharp pieces off as much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide it with the flowers and the leaves. So I'm going to take some of the leaves that I got from the Dollarama, and I'm just going to use some of the rose petals that I've already had on hand for quite a few videos now. So I'm just taking some wire, and I want to make sure that the leaves are attached securely. So I am going to wire the leaf first, and then I'm going to also hot glue it as well, just to give it a little bit more stability. And again, just be careful with the hot glue. It is very hot, so I just use the tip of my scissors just to push it down and make sure that it sticks well. And what I'm going to do, just continue hot gluing the roses to the leaves. So I'm kind of gradually doing this. I'm not adding all the leaves at first because I want to just place everything the way I want it. So now I'm just going to add all the 3 roses, and then I'm going to add some leaves to the other side after, as you'll see in just a moment. So I just wanted to add a little bit more greenery to the wreath. So I'm just using the existing leaves that came with the roses. So just cutting them, separating them, so this way I can place them throughout the wreath. And just to hang the wreath, I'm just going to cover that last sharp point with some pink jute twine that I had on hand. So just loop it around, and then you could just go ahead and tie a basic knot in it and just cut off the excess. And then you'll see in just a second the final result. I like this DIY very much. It's so boho. It's so boho chic to me. And I thought it was really cute. I put it in our guest room just on the door. I just thought it was super lovely. And again, I love the pink and I love the greenery. And yeah, super happy about this. And for the second DIY, I want to make some macrame feathers. Now, I ordered this macrame at the beginning of COVID-19, and I only just received this now. So I'm super excited to finally be able to make my macrame feathers. So I got these dowel rods from the Dollarama as well. And what I'm doing here is I'm going to cut 2 equal lengths of the pink macrame, and I'm going to cut the gray macrame slightly longer because I want to make one of the leaves look a little bit lower than the other 2. So I'm just threading them through and looping them over the dowel rod to secure them in place. So just so I didn't want the dowel rod to start rolling around on me, I am just using some painter's tape to secure it to my mat, and that way it's a lot easier also to make the feathers. So for the feathers, I am going to cut 20 pieces of 7-inch length. So now that I have all my pieces separated, I'm going to just take 2 to start and fold it in half. So what I'm actually creating in the macrame terminology, I'm making a square knot. So just watch what I do, just easier for you to watch. And I'm going to do it in slow motion here so you can see what I'm doing. So that is 1 knot. So I'm going to continue doing that. But what I'm doing now is I'm going to repeat the pattern, but go the opposite direction. So now that you have 20 pieces per pink string, you're just going to be doing this same pattern 10 times per pink feather. So repeating the same thing on the gray macrame cord, I'm going to cut out 30 7-inch pieces. So that way we can have 15 knots per this gray feather. So next part, still fun, but a little bit tedious here. It takes quite a bit of time to do this, but just grab, a cheap comb if you have something on hand. I mean, I got a package of 10 from the dollar store, so if they break, not a big deal. But here is what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to keep brushing out the thread. You're going to unwind all the thread. You're going to get all these excess fibers. Don't worry, just keep going. It's like you're brushing out your tangled hair. Like, just keep working at it. Now here you see all the feathers done, all separated. It just looks so smooth and so nice, but again, it's all uneven. So what I'm going to do, just make sure you have sharp scissors. That's the only thing I can say here, sharp scissors, because what you're going to just do is outline the feather to get that nice point at the bottom as well. And you're just going to clean up the edges as you see here. Now, when I do one side, people think it's difficult. How do you do the other side? I'm just going to flip it over and do the other side just the same. So here I'm just flipping it over and cutting around the edge. So just to make the feathers perfect and to the way you want, like the length that you want as well, just keep going, smooth it out with a comb, keep cutting any excess off, and then you'll get that perfect feather after. Now, just to finish it off, I just want to be able to hang the feathers. So I'm just using some more pink macrame cord, and I'm just going to tie some basic knots on each side in order to attach the hanging portion. Now, I am super excited that I finally received my macrame cord. There are so many endless possibilities with this stuff, and I'm so excited to make some more DIYs with this macrame. But I just thought these feathers turned out super adorable. It goes so well on a wall. Like, it just goes with any decor. It looks so boho chic to me. You could even add some wooden beads in the middle of the feathers to make them look a little bit more boho chic as well. But anyway, I was super happy with the way this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you at the next video. Take care.